It is that time of year. It is pumpkin time, everybody. We've talked pumpkin spice, pumpkin pies, and now it's time to paint our pumpkins. So, what do you guys think?
I think since our Halloween crafts went so well this time last year, we got gutsy. We're gonna try again.
We're gonna try again. And I'm feeling a little inspired because I showed you guys my Star Wars pumpkin I tried to make. I tried to freehand Darth Vader. Here's how it turned out.
I liked it.
Thank you.
I think the important thing was I knew what it was without you having to give me any hints.
That's actually a huge compliment. I don't think everyone else felt that way. So
I'm also a huge Star Wars nerd though, so there's that.
True. Should we not tell them what we're gonna paint? Just go for it?
I like that.
Okay.
We'll keep you in suspense.
All right, let's see how we all do. I can already tell, and I might be jinxing myself, this is going a lot better for me than the Star Wars pumpkin. I chose a different movie to copy this time. I think I chose an easier way to do it.
Sometimes it's about simplicity.
I think that's what it is. I tried to go too realistic on my Darth Vader.
That'll get you every time.
Yep. Wait, I actually am so excited. I like my pumpkin this time. Thank goodness.
Oh yeah, this is actually turning out kind of frightening. I was going for cute, but maybe I should have just said that I was going for scary. The popsicles that you would get in the ice cream truck, the pictures would always look like...
Yeah,
yeah.
The SpongeBob ones and the Spider-Man ones.
With the gumball eyes.
They got a little melted a little bit, somewhere in between getting made and getting sold.
Yes. Is that what you got going on?
I think that's what I got going on today.
I think I'm finished with mine.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
How'd we do?
Yay! Can you tell what we have? A witch pumpkin. Does you have a ghost pumpkin? I actually didn't see yours yet.
Yeah, the little ghost cat.
Oh, a ghost cat.
It's like a little, you know, like a Taylor Swift inspired ghost.
I love it.
Had to be.
That's so cute. And I thought you
That's
had a good
pretty.
idea. You named mine the Gourd Who Lived because it's Harry Potter in his Gryffindor scarf.
Don't you recognize him?
Yeah, I love it.
How did you get it? Not just any witch. That's the
That is
sea
the
witch.
sea witch.
Sea witch
Yeah,
right
that's
there.
right. So?
She's only here to give out candy this time. She's not wrecking any ships.
No, definitely not. So let us know if you paint pumpkins, what they look like. But I know you're probably thinking, these pumpkins are beautiful.
They're gorgeous
Yes.
and they're enormous and they're from Fifers.
Yes. So thank you so much, Fifers.
Some gorgeous.
Gourds.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, something like that.
Gorgeous.
Exactly. Let us know whose pumpkin speaks to you the most. And again, if you go to Fifer's, get a pumpkin, carve it, you paint it, show us pictures. We really want to see it.
we want to see.
Yeah. Thanks again, Fifers, and we have more Coast Life coming your way.